Okay, so I've got my two bunnies here. I thought in the midst of all the Easter festivities, I might as well introduce you guys to these cutie pies, really. So that one that just ran away is Frankie Jr. and this one here is Shuey Jr. So they're named after, those aren't their actual names, but I thought I'd name them after their parents and then add Jr. at the end because I can't think of any other names to call them. We haven't had time to actually come up with a name. I've named one other one Nemo. I'm not gonna lie, I've lost track of what to name each one because I think this is like their 4th or 5th litter that they've had. But look at how cute they are. They're so cute. Look at how cute it is. So this is just my second take on filming this because before when I was filming it, Frankie Jr. decided to pee on me and that was quite an experience. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this Easter break. Right now it's Easter Sunday, so I thought I might share with you guys some Easter vibes, introducing you guys to my bunnies. This is oh my god, she's peeing on me. Peeing on me, she's peeing. Anyways, all is well. As long as my denim dress is not stained, then I am happy. Anyway, so today I thought I would share with you my new thrift transformation. So this one here that I'll be doing is a dress which I purchased at a vintage sort and up shop. I forgot what the name was. It was like this really long name. Only $3 for this oversized men's shirt, and I transformed it into a twin set. Keep saying twin sweat. It's got a summer twist to it. It was kind of inspired from Instagram, I guess, and I thought I would just give this kind of trendy outfit a go. Alright, so first things first, what I'm going to do is detach both sides of the sleeves. I'm going to draw half a bust panel piece, and what this will become is the front bodice. First I'm just cutting off one half of the panel piece, and then I'll need to repeat the same step to reflect it to another side of the front bodice. After this, I will need to flip the shirt open and cut off the shoulder seam. And what this will leave is the yoke of the back shirt. And this yoke will soon become another same panel piece of the front bust. So this is reflected from the front panel pieces to the need to sew the front bodice and the back bodice together at the top seams as well as the bottom seams, leaving the sides unsewn. After sewing the bodice, top and bottom seams, we will need to backstitch on the lining part of the fabric. Next, we will need to iron the bodice. After this, we need to overlap all the edges of the back rectangle pattern piece in which we had just recently cut earlier before. Next, we will need to sew all the side seams of the front bodice and the back bodice. To complete the back piece, we will need to sew with a stretchy thread in the bobbin case. What this stretchy thread will create is to tighten the fabric to make it stretchy as opposed to being loose. With the stretchy thread, we will need to sew at 1 centimeter apart from each other down the rectangle piece. Over the course of this, we will soon see the stretchy gathering effect soon taking place. Ready to go. And that is the end of my transformation. Here is a look of the before and the after. Yo guys, I just wanted to quickly show you. So with this top, you can either wear it in 2 different ways. So you can wear it without the little tie, the knot bow thingamabob, which this used to be the collar, but I kind of personally prefer to wear it with the bow tie because it kind of gives it a bit more of a cute kind of look and completely finishes the whole look properly. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I've got my 2 little bunnies here who are saying goodbye, and they also say thank you for watching my video. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good Easter, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!